Greetings and welcome to Glodeanu.com, an online invoicing webpage. You can create an account, add the seller banking information, add users to view and add to your account's data, add services and/or products, add different client banking and miscellaneous information, create invoices, export them in PDF format, directly send the PDF invoices on your email. Search for a previous existing invoice. Export all your Glodeanu.com data into CSV format. In this fifth chapter, the updating of the services and/or products will be presented. Kindly log in on Glodeanu.com. Click on the Add View button from the Functions menu, followed by the clicking on the Add Services Products button. Fill in the required fields, as new service product name, the value excluding the VAT percent, the currency and the exchange rate. Click on the Add Service Product button. You will be prompted with a success message and the information will be updated with the first page refresh. You also have the possibility to export the list of services products in PDF format by clicking on the Export the Full List to PDF button. Regards and take care from Glodeanu.com.